In the middle of the greenest jungle, where parrots sang and waterfalls roared, lived Milo the monkey. Milo was smart. Milo was fast. And Milo thought he could do anything. If the birds were building nests, Milo said, "I can build the biggest nest in the jungle." If the elephants were having a swimming race, Milo shouted, "I can win, even though I'm not an elephant." If the cheetahs were sprinting, Milo bragged, "I can run faster than all of you." The truth? Milo was good at many things, just not all things. But he didn't believe that. The big challenge one morning, news spread through the jungle, the great jungle festival was coming. There would be races, games, and contests of every kind. The animals each chose one event to join. The parrots picked the singing contest. The elephants chose the water relay. The cheetahs signed up for the running race. But Milo? He signed up for everything. "You're doing all the contests," gasped Tia the toucan. Of course, Milo grinned. Why choose one when you can win them all? Lesson 1. You can't do everything at once on festival day. Milo swung into the running race first. The starting drum boomed, "DUM! DUM!" and off he went. But halfway through, he remembered the singing contest was starting. "Oh no! I'll miss it," he cried, and darted off the track. The cheetahs zoomed ahead, leaving him in last place. In the singing contest, Milo rushed in panting, out of breath. He squeaked and coughed through his song while the parrots trilled beautifully. Then came the swimming race. Milo leapt into the river, but halfway across, he remembered the juggling contest. He swam back in a hurry, never reaching the finish. By the end of the day, Milo was exhausted, soaking wet, and had not won a single event. He slumped by a palm tree. "Maybe I can't do everything." Tia the toucan landed beside him. "Nobody can do everything at once, Milo. If you try to do it all, you might not do anything well." Milo nodded slowly. "I guess sometimes you have to focus on one thing at a time." Lesson 2. Asking for help makes you stronger. The next morning, the festival had one last event, the team obstacle challenge. Normally, Milo would have said, "I can do it alone." But after yesterday, he thought differently. He teamed up with Tia the toucan, Ellie the elephant, and Ziggy the zebra. When they reached the tall wall, Ellie lifted them up. When they had to cross the river, Tia flew ahead to guide them to the safest path. When they had to carry heavy coconuts, Ziggy shared the load. Milo realized something amazing: working together made the challenge easier and more fun. They crossed the finish line laughing, and this time, their team won first place. That night, as the jungle glowed with lanterns, Milo told his friends, "Yesterday, I thought I had to do everything myself. Today I learned that focusing on one thing at a time makes me better, and asking for help doesn't make me weak, it makes me part of something stronger." The animals cheered, and Milo grinned, not because he'd won a medal, but because he'd learned something that would last longer than any trophy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.